Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, the video and a clean transcript. Open a text editor set to UTF-8. This prevents character errors. If you have no timestamps, choose automated speech-to-text to generate a rough timing or prepare to listen and mark timecodes manually. Once you have a transcript, split it into short subtitle lines, 2 lines max and readable in one glance. Make sure to save incremental copies. This avoids losing timing work and lets you revert if alignment looks off. Now you build the SRT structure. A numeric index, the start arrow end timestamp in hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, then the subtitle text. Work sequentially and play short segments while adjusting timestamps so text appears just before speech and ends slightly after. Use 1/2 second padding for natural reading, longer for slower speakers. Once done, check line length and split long sentences across 2 lines for readability. Make sure indices are consecutive with no gaps or duplicates. Finish by validating. Open the SRT in your video player or a validator to confirm timing and encoding. Save the file as SRT with UTF-8 to preserve characters. If subtitles shift during playback, check for frame rate mismatch between video and timing source. Re-export timestamps if necessary. Once synchronized, perform a final pass for typos and speaker labels. A quick troubleshooting tip: when lines shift uniformly, apply a constant time offset rather than editing every cue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.